cut some beats.
I'm dead, I want to get you now. I'm dead, I'm in where my dick? That's all I chin. Pull out the stick.
My name is Tawanda Msota, aka Kenny Mandebvu. I was born on the 18th of May 1995 in Bulawayo. I stay in Avondo West, Harare. I'm an urban Afrobeat artist / actor / songwriter / film student. I was drawn into the music industry through watching musicians performing live, like in award shows, etc. I'm inspired by a lot of artists, but to mention a few, I'm inspired by the likes of Rockford. I listen to Drake for inspiration and Sauti Soul. Firstly, I write my lyrics as a poem based on how I'm feeling at the time, and then after that I listen to different types of beats, instrumentals, and then from there that's when I get the melodies and the pitch, and I might even be inspired to add on some more lyrics from that. There's always a hidden meaning in my music. That's the whole point of my music. There's always a message. The song Yuba is, I'm just basically expressing what could be the typical scenario for any university student who's a boy in terms of relationships with girls at school. You find it's mixed up. You might meet a girl who looks like she's decent, but you never know what she's up to. So that's just the meaning of the song. I'm just explaining that I see a lot of nice looking girls who look decent, and maybe I feel like I could engage with one of them into a serious relationship, but then with time you discover different things about that person, and it's just a bit of a dilemma for people like myself. Yes, I do collaborations. I actually enjoy collaborating with other artists. So far I've collaborated with artists like Zanda, Kudu Boy, Dre, and from Chino University I've done collaborations with Mark Hudson, AJ Ryan, LMG, just to mention a few. I'm always friendly with fans. I love to hear their stories, and I find it interesting. For those who'd love to link up with me, my Facebook is Kenny Mandebvu, Instagram it's Kenny_Mandebvu, and that's the same handle for Twitter as well. My favorite part, I think, would be when you see your song bringing joy to people whom you don't even know. But let's say they hear it playing somewhere and then they enjoy it. They are happy, they are smiling, they are singing along. For me, that makes my day. I would despise the attention. I think too much attention for anyone is just a recipe for disaster, if you ask me. So I don't like the attention. Yes, of course, every time before I go on stage, I'm always nervous and anxious. I don't know what will happen. It happens every time. To date, I enjoyed performing at the Rainbow Towers. That was last year at the Mandebvu Winter Festival at the slot. That would be my favorite. My advice would be staying true to your art and always putting God first, because the fear of God is the beginning of all wisdom, and you need a lot of wisdom in this industry. Raise me as a king, Working on my dreams, I work for better things. I grind, 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 grind. I talk back when they try to take away my pride. You told me not to fight, there's a better way to stay alive. Cause my bird got me acting on TV. Now I'm working on another TV series. Mama zinto zizolunga, yeah. Mama zinto zizolunga, yeah. Mama did a song for you, my love. My one and only true, my love. Sing, mama did a song for you, my love. My one and only true, my love, yeah. We Mandebvu, yeah, yeah, yeah. Song for mama. I'd like to send a shout out to Mark Hudson, Mad Producer, Victor Stewart, Meg the Plug, Anon Zander, AJ Ryan, Mad Artist. We have a collaboration coming out, Mad Vibe. Shout out to LMG, shout out to Jay, aka Mama Sugar, shout out to DJ Sati, shout out to my family. Yeah, bless up.
That's all I chill. That's all I chill.